guys.
This is
another
the
update.
pamphlet.
Yeah.
What's up? We're the pamphlet.
Hey, we're the pamphlet. Hey, this is pamphlet. Page and Page, aka Page and the Page. We have another update right now because we know we haven't been like up to par with like putting out good music right now.
Up to par? What is that?
We're taking classes online right now because the touring's like really intense.
Yeah, so be expecting some new tunes soon.
Yeah, we've been intense writing right now. Like,
Yeah.
we just want to really give you some good stuff because that's all we do. We like perfection, and that's anything less than perfection. I don't think I'd feel right giving it to you.
We're writing music right now because we're getting influences from like Jeffree Star,
Yeah, we met up with our best friend Jeffree Star last week, and
Britney Spears, Black Eyed Peas, I the Monster.
we're just trying to do our best.
Yeah,
Really, but
sure.
Anyway, check us out. I mean, leave us some comments. We're totally down to earth. We'll talk to you and stuff.
Sign any autographs, any piece of paper, your baby.
We'll have some good stuff coming out soon, so
Yeah.
you be checking that out if you're ready for that. Okay, peace out. Agriculture.
Agriculture. I can't do it without laughing. You should listen to the pamphlet. That's gonna be embarrassing. Allie Martin, you rock. Here's all. That's all I gotta say. Come on, Miranda. I know you want to be in it.
Come on, Mary, you look good. Get to make us look better.
Come on, baby.
Ellie, show your face.
Yes.
Just look at this though. Hey, Stella.
Check out Still Killing Your Story. They're on our top friends.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.